Dr. Imad, I want to bounce it back to you. As data visualization tools and techniques, these techniques continue evolving today. How can organizations ensure that their data visualizations remain accessible to the widest possible variety of users? Whether we're talking about technical experts or we're talking about the ones that aren't so technically inclined among your stakeholders. What's your take on that, sir?
See, what we have done and what we are continuously doing is that we would like the data visualization to be democratized, which means everybody should have access to the data. Okay, sometimes not all the data need to be accessed by everybody because it could have confidential information. We understand that.
Right.
That's why you have the data access layers. That's why you have the roles and privileges and all of that. But today, if I look from the organization suffering perspective, not many business users have got information or insights into what is going on, because all the tools that are available are very, very technical. So I think we are entering into an era where you would have the conversational AIs or the AI agents actually build a graph for you. You do not need to even know the tool. Only thing that you need to know is you ask the question that how does this look like, or what exactly it is, and you ask the statistics, you ask some of the facts, and the system will give you. And I think that is the way forward. And if one of the trends that I foresee going into year 2025 is that it would be the year of AI agents. And AI agents can solve lot of these issues of differentiating technical, non-technical, business, literacy, of the IT tools, or know-how of it, and all of that. And I'm really fascinated by that, because I believe that the AI agents are conversational AIs that will mature as agentic AI. That's going to take the market by storm. So business users, you don't have to worry about it. There are tools that are coming out wherein you just ask a question and you would get the answer for that. You don't even have to understand technically. And there are certain auto create features that are available in some tools. When you throw the data, it actually creates a nice visualization for you, and you choose whether you would like to retain that or build your own. So business users need not learn technicality of the tools. So this NLP, and that's why my favorite AI technology is NLP, because it is bridging the knowledge gap between somebody who is educated in a specific language to somebody who has educated only in English. So that knowledge bridging between those two is essential, because if we really want everybody to be inclusive of this data and analytics world, then I think it is the way to go.